Hello, good evening, may gabi. At the moment na ako sa sakyanan namo, and then nag-wait ko sa ni Ruth mabalik. So we will go to Lidl supermarket siya. So kuyog na. Oh, there's light, Papa.
An extra bag. Oh, you're filming it.
Yeah. Good thing there's light from there.
Yeah.
Siya busy. Doesn't look busy ba?
Nee, fine.
Mas mo prefer si Ruth ari siya diri mamalit. So yan, nag-uwan no. Kuan sa namos ana. Nagtug among inday badiday. So na ta na ta.
Chocolate for on the bed. Yeah, it's really popular one.
Something you like, you want to try it?
I try it. I eat it. I eat it really often.
Now we go to the broad section, Bob.
Yeah. They still have some, but not everything.
The cookies, Papa.
This one, yeah.
Yeah. Waffles, the small stroke waffles. We still have it. I mean the big ones. Upper one, Papa.
That one. Big or small?
Small.
Small pieces?
Dardo dong. Maybe there's croissant.
Croissant, yeah.
donuts, papa. Ano siya nga donut? Lamig na siya. So, manuot ano. Ana, kumusta ka tara? Donut.
Nee, volgende week.
Ha? Beer for 8? So, nagkuha akong tar. Tag 40 cents. Ano siya? Tag 61 cents.
Ja, dood is voor €1.
Oh, yeah. Ang kani, upat ka buo. 4 slips. 4 pieces. Bakit ito kuha? Mamit ka, ayaw. Chocolate and chocolate.
Ja, dit ja.
Miss May, para na rin ni mo Miss May. Oh, it says Belgian chocolate dong.
Ja, dat is goed hoor.
And hilig sa zero og multivitamin drink. Bin ako multivitamin like vitamin jud siya no. Kana di juice. It's more for you.
They have different ones. Also special one from Lidl.
Yeah, that color's okay. Wee. What's the size to do?
It's gonna be
What's the size?
Lidl.
What's the size?
S.
Yeah. Good.
You want it?
Yeah. How much is it?
5. 5 euro.
5?
Yeah.
Good.
Think it fits?
Yeah, it's small, it says. But check the fabric, Papa. No, I mean if there's no damage. Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
Naka-damage na sag ko. Piyama doon.
This is fleece jacket one.
Huh?
This for babies.
You think that fits Anna? So we have the same
2
color.
to 4 years old.
But your size is only like 2.
This one you can get one too, but you can get for
Yeah. Somebody's hungry, I think.
Like you go like Christmas tree. Yeah, I know.
Anna agrees, yeah.
Which one? Want to try another one too?
Yeah, that's good.
Which one? The skinny one? The
What's the skinny one, Bong?
I don't know. It's all beef. Maybe that's with pepper, that's with onions.
Maybe with pepper.
And that one is special. See the left one? With pepper?
Yeah. So, para siya sa bread, para sa toast. I-try na ko siya katong dito mi sa yahang mama. Ang ganahan. Yakas. Usaw na tong pamuhok dire. Bong, you don't like green tea?
Cream cheese. I'm not a fan of it. They are 2 euros.
Oh, I thought that.
57. That's this one.
Naris iba ang
That's
price.
this one.
Barato naman. Para din ang price. Yeah. More chocolate. Bong, more chocolate here, Bong.
We need
This one, Bong, looks like Maha Blanca. Right. Dudong. This looks like Maha. What's like Maha? Call it there. Okay. Why not? This is very Dutch. Typical Dutch. Oh, you have to make it.
Yeah, with
I thought it's
water.
Nee, that's okay, Bong.
Yeah?
We have desserts here, right? Dagan na tingob, dahil may mo palit ba sa arin. We still have kibling.
Yeah, we have two packages.
Pizza. Pizza, pizza, pizza. We have mini snacks, croquettes, more pizza. Kasa or cashier. Kasa. Mask, Papa.
Yeah.
Or no, maybe IKEA ba? Intratan of IKEA. So, diri di I know kung mag-guan ka. Kung nanata sa counter, kaya ikaw ang mag-pack sa inyong pamalit. Ana, ka-pretty sa inday, uy. Ka-pretty, uy. Ka-pretty. Ang ulit na, me. see you at home. So I'll do a haul first na mag-haul.